Do you know you can achieve a smoky red jollof rice and a red tomato stew without adding any tomato paste? Hello, you are welcome to my kitchen. If you are watching for the first time, you are welcome. And if you are a returning supporter, you are well appreciated. If you like what I'm doing, kindly subscribe, like, and share to get more. In today's video, I'm going to share with us how to achieve a beautiful pepper mix which we can use to make a smoky red jollof rice and a red tomato stew without adding a pinch of tomato paste. So if you're interested, stay with me to the end and let's do it together. These are the ingredients that we are going to work with to achieve our red pepper mix. We have the sun-dried red pepper. We have fresh tomatoes. We have red bell pepper, the fresh one. And we also have onion. We have garlic. We have habanero pepper. We have ginger root. So yeah, this is how it comes from the store. This is how they package it. So now I'm going to put it in a pot and add some water to it, and I put it on the stove to boil until soft. So this is how the pepper boils on the stove. See, it's already soft. So now I'm going to cover it and leave and turn off the stove and let it simmer and soak up the water and soften more. Okay, now I just took the pepper from the water, and because it's now soft and it's okay to be blended, so now I'm going to remove all the seeds and all the stalks and clean it up properly. So the pepper has been rinsed well. It's very soft and it's ready to go in the blender with the other ingredients. Now it's time to blend, and as usual, I'm not going to add any water. Tomato is very juicy. It's going to fall. It's going to be the water base, and adding some tomatoes, adding some onions and bell pepper and some of the sun-dried pepper. So, and I'm going to blend that together. Now this is the first batch of the pepper. You can see how thick and red it is. Smoky red. That's smoky red. This is the second batch. It's so thick also, no water added. This pepper mix is so beautiful and it's so inviting. So if you like this video and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and support my channel. Click the like button and click the notification bell so that each time I upload videos on my channel, you'll be notified. All our pepper mix is ready and it looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful, so clean, and it's thick. And with this, you don't need to boil it. I don't boil it. I don't boil because I want it to retain the freshness. I don't boil it. I just package it in the freezer, package it in the small containers and put them in the freezer. Yes, this is how I usually portion my pepper mix after blending. I usually put them in little containers and store them in my freezer. And each time I need to use them, I just bring it out. If I'm cooking in the night, in the evening, I bring it out in the morning. So by the time I'm ready to cook, everything is ready, because I don't like putting them in the microwave because of the plastic. And also, if we have alternatives, we should be able to use the alternatives instead of using tomato paste in your food, because most of those tomato paste, they have color, they have additives that are not even good for our health or that of our families. So if we have alternative, we should try as much as possible to make use of those alternatives, for the sake of our health and that of our family. This is how I prep my pepper mix for making smoky jollof rice and red tomato stew. Try it and you will love it. Enjoy it with your families and friends and watch more videos on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Remain victorious and bye for now.